This picking up stuff is a real workout, right? Woo! She's just gone. Bit rude. No one's ever been rude to me before. No, I don't like it. McLaren, I've had enough now. McLaren, take me home. Now. McLaren? McLaren! Fine! I'll just make my own way home. How hard can it be? Open! I'll pay!
A 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, down, turn around for the music in your feet. Left, right, low, high, move it to the beat. Up, down, turn around for the music in your feet. Left, right, low, high, move it to the beat. Up, down, turn around for the music in your feet. Left, right, low, high, move it to the beat. Up, down, turn around for the music in your feet. Left, right, low, high, move it to the beat.
You're not getting this at all. It's like you don't know your left from right. Everyone, left foot forward. No! You're all fired. Be gone and never darken my ship again.
You're unfired. You can still darken the ship. I just mean work here.
Reaction time. Good.
When are my dancers going to be ready, McLaren? I'm still working it out, but the best bit is here, when the dancers spell out my name with their bodies. N-O-V-A.
Perfect. Wonderful. They'll be ready to go before long.
That'll show Mr. Phone Looker. Looking at his phone like a phone looker. There he is. My first ever bad review. A bad review in person.
Nova, stop! I know. Calling kid songwriter!
Hey, McLaren, what's the job?
Reaction time. Fair.
Nova's letting one tiny audience reaction completely control her. Fair! I've been doing far better than fair. Right, I'll see about those dollargrams.
Fair. I'm having a really difficult time with my dance moves. Kid songwriter, can you help me?
Is my name Kid Dance Master?
No, it's Kid Songwriter. Kid Songwriter? This is ridiculous. I'm the biggest pop star in the universe. I'm the best. The most stupendous. How am I supposed to? What are you laughing at?
They're copying you exactly.
They're supposed to be dancing with me. If we all do the same thing, then it just gets... Yes. Very No O, no va, no R, just And now this has appeared on Spaceogram.
How did they get a hold of that?
I just posted it. What, am I not supposed to share every experience I have online? No. This is the worst day of my life. My whole existence as a pop icon is gonna explode. Like that. The biggest nightmare ever. Including that big nightmare I had where my nose took over my face. Useless internet! Useless dance moves! Right, Nova, you're filming your Big Jenny Forever scene in an hour. You can do the sensible thing, stick to singing and cancel the scene, or...
And action!
You can't go out in this storm. It's too dangerous.
No. This isn't a rehearsal. Full performance, please. Action!
You can't go out in this storm. It's too dangerous. Will there be a secret superhero base behind me? Because I said I wanted my character to be super.
She's a meteorologist.
a weather scientist.
But she could be a super-powered meteorologist.
Whatever, if it helps you, just do the line.
Yes, see, just needed my motivation. I will look like a superhero. Ready?
And action!
You can't go out in this storm. It's too dangerous.
Be emotional! Is my speaker on? Can she hear me? Can you hear me?
1 second.
Nova, how's it going? I think I'm acting brilliant.
You are, but they want some more feeling. Like, remember how you really dislike green gummies?
Yes.
And remember when you were on tour that time and found a green gummy inside your orange gummy bowl?
Yes, that was awfulicious.
She's ready. Go, now.
Action.
You can't go out in this storm. It's too dangerous. I don't like being laughed at.
Well, if you appear in this film, you'll soon get used to it. Oh, you're tearing me apart. The pain in the way you say the storm makes the very stage weep in agony. You should not act. It's okay. I should not cook. I try useless smash cookies that taste like feet. Your acting tastes like feet. I resign. Yes, I resign. And never again shall I have to hear those terrible words. You can't go out in the storm. It's too dangerous.
That was really good. Incredible acting.
That's it. That's the take. Cut. Print.
Wait, what? Wait!
Al Pacino, you're in the movie. That was perfect line delivery. Nova Jones, I'm sorry, but you're fired. Please never act again.
Really sorry about the film, guys. I feel so bad about how you were treated. I was just trying to help Nova feel better about herself.
You were trying to prove that you're a better manager than Malcolm.
Well, I am.
Shh. And with that mighty song, you are defeated, silly troll person.
Nova Jones, you've lost your voice. This is a disaster. You cannot speak or sing.
I know. I have no voice. I cannot speak. My words will not reach the fans. My beloved Novalites. Whoa, whoa. I am voiceless. I'm just so sad.
She has them. She has the feels. Did I really say that?
I am now so full of feelings and emotions.
Oh my vlog, this is funny. I'm so bad at acting. So bad.
So bad.
Brilliantly terrible.
Here, am I supposed to be doing something here or what?
I'm super sorry about how I've treated you guys. This was meant to be my masterpiece. I can't act, and the whole universe is seeing this live.
See? Being a double threat is plenty. You're the biggest star in the sky.
Who cares if I don't win an award for this one thing, right?
And the award for the best comedy goes to... Oh! She's a genius. It's Nova Jones!
Thank you, Johnny. Won his own award tonight. Isn't he talented?
Amazing comedy, Mac. The manager scene's so funny. As if Nova could succeed without you.
Oh, no. My sister's got a lot of hidden talents.
I'm the winner! Best funniness, top words,